Hello everyone, welcome to my video section in AWS Amazon Cloud. Today we will learn new concept how to provision machine in the EC2 Linux server. As you know, the last video we learned how to provision the Windows server, and now we will learn how to provision the Linux server. So let's start. Now I will access to my account in the AWS the console. So here, and here I will put my email, then the password, my password. Okay, now I access in my account, and the region now is Frankfurt. So now I go in the service and I will write EC2. Okay, I will choose EC2. Now I'm in EC2 dashboard. Then I will go in the instance like before. Okay, so I have already another Linux server. So in this case I will remove it and create again. Okay, the same steps. I will terminate. So now already goes to terminate. Now I will launch new Linux server. Okay, so launch instance. And for testing now, as you can see, we have 4 options. The my AMI, this is when you have the image already created. And we have also AWS Marketplace, so we will go directly to free tier. Okay, then I will select the Linux, Amazon Linux. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now I have the step number 2 to choose the instance type. Also I will choose the free tier option. And as you can see, you can see here the many options for increase the CPU and the memory, etc. Okay, so we go in the next step to configure instance details. Here you have the number of instance. If you want to create 3 instances in one time, you can change this one by 3. Now we need only 1. Okay. So here also we need the subnet or specify the availability zones. So here I will choose, for example, B, availability zone B. Okay. So we have another option like enable cloud watching detail monitoring. This is option to monitor your instance, for example, when shut down, or we can see this option later on. Okay, this is also to enable to protect against the termination. This is very important. Also, if you want to enable it, just check it. Okay, so I will go in the next step to add storage. Okay, the storage also I will keep it in the default configuration. Okay, so go now in the add tags. Okay, add tags. I will add tags, for example, the name. Okay, the name is Linux server. Okay, Linux server. So here in the configure security group, is not like the Windows. In the Windows server we need only the RDP or HTTP. The RDP we needed to access to the servers remotely. Okay, but in the Linux we need the SSH. Okay, the SSH. Also we need to access in the web server by HTTP. Okay, and change it by anywhere. Here I will change the name of security group. I will put it for example Linux for Linux server. Okay, for Linux server also the same in the description. Okay, and review and launch. You can review it, it's okay. And let's go to launch. Here we have also the key pair, so I will create new one. Okay, create new one called Linux server. Okay, Linux server, for example, Frank. Okay, Frank, and download it. After download it, I will put it. I will save here. Picture, okay. Frank, okay. Let's start. So after download the key pair, now I will launch the instance, my instance. Okay. I click on to view instance, and as you can see here, the instance will create. So now the instance already running. Okay, now I need to access in this Linux server. Okay, so I will use now. We have two options. Okay, the option we can access directly from here, and the second one is by the PuTTY. This is there is the option here. There is the option all here on details. So now let's go to know how to access by the PuTTY. So now we need the PuTTY, this one, the PuTTY gen. Okay. After that, I will load this the generator or the key pair. Okay, I will go in my folder. Okay, and now just here to all files. Okay, this one I will choose this one. This is my key pair. Okay, open it. Okay, and save the private key. After that, I will save private key. I will call it, for example, Linux. Okay, server Frank. Okay, Frank, for example, like this, and save. After that, I will go in the PuTTY. Okay, so I will go to the SSH. Okay, and go in the authentication. Now I will browse to my folder already created. So go into in the image. Okay, picture Frank, and this one I will choose this one. Okay, and open it. After that, I will go to the session, my session, and put it the EC2 or EC2 user. Okay, and here we need the public address of the Linux server. How can get this IP? So I will come here to the Linux server and choose the IPv4 public IP. Okay, after that I will put it here. Okay, and open it. Okay, so here I will choose yes. Okay, and now I am in the Linux server. Okay, for example, I will run some command. For example, sudo su. Okay, and yum update -y. Okay, now I will install the web server in this machine. Okay, yum install. Okay, install httpd. Okay, -y. So okay, and now system ctl start httpd. Okay, httpd on service. Okay, and system settle, and I will enable this web server. Okay, enable. It's okay now. So now go to see the web server is okay or not. I need the copy this IPv4, and now we confirm HTTP it's okay. why is not activate or is not updated. It's okay now. So go in the just double confirm the HTTP is already in the security group or not. 1 minute. Security group. Okay, view the inbound. As you can see here, we have the port 80 is the HTTP and the SSH. If you not access to this web server, maybe you are not allowed the port 80 of HTTP. Okay, so this is the small video about how to launch EC2 instance server in Linux server. Thank you for watching and consideration. See you in the next video.